TI, and I love our new KAIZONPOT car rack. I think this is so well made. It fit our car perfectly. It has the ability to go to 64 inches long or 46 inches, which was perfect because one of my favorite features about our car is the sunroof. So I loved that I had the option of being able to put the rack on and still be able to transport the things that we needed and also to be able to enjoy the view. We just went on a big trip. We were actually going to be camping out of our car, so it was great being able to put our bags on the top, put it in the awesome waterproof bag that it comes in that has a double zipper to stop any water going through. It comes with a lock. It comes with so many other accessories. It has a bungee cargo net. It comes with all these different straps where it allows you to tighten and set up easily. The waterproof bag has built-in straps that you can attach to the rack. You can fit everything that you need in this bag, throw it in the back of your car. I think it is not only well made, great quality, and fills all the needs that me and my husband needed for this trip and our future trips. And that's my point of view.